Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just to fill you in what's happening this week in Australia is ANZAC Day on Friday. So we are shut on Friday, phones will be shut down, emails will be shut down, and the store will be closed Friday and Saturday. Just for something different, we're closing this week on the Saturday, and it's not just to give ourselves a long weekend, although I have to say the staff all went yay when I announced it, but it's actually for renovations. So anyone who's been in the store or watched some of our videos recently will have known that we're renovating the store and extending it. The builders have asked if they can take control of a lot more area this weekend, so we've decided to close the shop for the weekend, so from the Friday through until 9 o'clock on Monday morning. And I apologise for any inconvenience on that one, but it's just one of those things we've had to do. Now, when you come back on the Monday, if you're a regular visitor to us, you'll notice there'll be some slight changes. Renovations won't be finished, but they're manoeuvring the front door. So you'll still come through the front door into the airlock, but you'll no longer go straight ahead into the shop. You'll actually hang a hard left.
Where there was once previously a wall.
That's right. Through the wall into what is the extension of the new shop area, although it won't be finished, but we will be functioning out of there just so we can keep serving throughout the next week or so while the renovations are being finished. So that's the news on that front. We are not open this Friday the 25th and Saturday the 26th and Sunday the 27th. We will be closed on those 3 days, but we'll be back and fully operational again first thing on Monday at 9 o'clock. The other thing we need to talk about is because Friday is a public holiday and last Friday was a public holiday, we've kind of decided we're going to do a live stream that we normally do on a Friday. We can't bear to not do it 2 weeks running, so we're actually going to do a live stream on Thursday. That's right, so this Thursday, which will be the 24th, we're going to do a live stream. There'll be Ruben, myself, Alex, the usual shenanigans that go on, and we'll run from 2:30 through to 3:30 on Thursday. So tune in for that on our YouTube channel, and it will be 2:30 Melbourne time through to 3:30 Melbourne time.
Just a once-off on that one. We will be moving back to our regularly scheduled programming the following week. So
that's right. We're not throwing everything away and starting again.
That's it.
We're just, like I said, we couldn't bear to not do a live stream for 2 weeks running, so we thought we'd throw one in.
Exactly.
That's it for now. We will talk again very, very soon. See ya.